Hey YouTube, it's Dimitri, and today we're going to insert some metal inserts into a 1997 Subaru Legacy reinforcement bumper here. So make sure the part fits, first of all, because most of these applications, you're going to be kind of drilling these holes out a little bit bigger and putting your inserts in. In this case, I'm using a 3/8 drill bit to fit it. I had one that was a little bit smaller, one that was a little bit bigger. I knew the one that was too big wasn't going to work. We weren't going to get enough bite with the teeth here on these fasteners. And so we ended up having to get the exact drill bit and I had to run down to the hardware store just to get a 3/8 bit here. Again, try to drill as perpendicular, so up and down as you can to the bumper itself so you get a nice clean hole. And then I like to put the inserts in the hole and use a wrench to just tap it in. It helps it seat a little bit so that the teeth or the threads on the outside of this are actually going to grab when you turn it. And then we're just going to slowly turn it. I'd recommend doing this with a wrench if you're not comfortable. I'm not using an impact drill or driver here because I'm nervous it's going to kind of break up a little bit of the hole itself that its fastener is biting into. And because of that, I'm just using a drill with no impact here. Again, be very, very careful. If you drive it too far, it will split, shatter, and break parts of the piece that you're kind of drilling into here. So if you're not comfortable using a drill, just use a wrench and do this carefully. But in this, I'm going to show you, I'm using a drill here and just slowly turning it, as you can see. And they seat in there just great. So I'm not using any epoxies or anything to set these. You can do that if you want. These are gonna hold great. As you can see in this video, I'm just attaching some fog lights. They weigh nothing. So these are gonna hold just fine the way they are. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, until next time.